Good day, guys. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So it's been a while we haven't uploaded. I think not even a while, but we skipped only 1 week. So we are back. So in today market forecast, we're gonna be looking at 3 pairs. So it's gonna be GJ, Gold, and US30. So those are the only 3 pairs we're gonna be looking at. So I won't waste time. Let's get to the video and let's see what the market has for us this week. So my first pair is gonna be GJ. So on GJ, what I'm currently seeing is we recently broke this support here, and then price is rejecting, and then we broke the upside, and then we come back, right? So what I see here is the market is still in a downtrend, right? We currently broke these lows, and then we have these new lows here, and then the market gave us a lower high. So we at this moment, sorry. So now the market is pushing to the downside, right? So I can just remove that line there. And then as you guys can see that here we had just delete these things. So here we had a support level, which the market broke this week. I think broke on Friday. This was Friday. So we had a support level there, which we broke. So now this to me is a sign that the market is bearish. So what I can look for now is I can expect price to come back and retest at these levels, right? And then I can continue looking for sells, right? So my target when I'm selling there, it's gonna be at these areas here, right? And then if price breaks, this is gonna be your target too, right? So this is what I'm looking for on GJ. I'm expecting price to push back up, retest this area, and then give me signs to sell. And this is where I'm going to be looking to take sells around here, right? So this is what you can expect on GJ. Just wait for price to push back up before taking sells, and then we can also get a gap to the downside, a market open and then push the downside around this level. And then if price push around this level, I won't be comfortable on taking buys here to push back up, I won't, because the market to me is bearish, so I won't be comfortable at taking buys around these areas. But if you are comfortable on taking buys here when price is rejecting and giving us signs to go to the upside, maybe giving us a double bottom, then you can take the buy, right? So for me on GJ, you're going to be looking for price to come back here before we can continue looking for sells. And then the only time you're going to look for buys is when price started giving us a sign of a double bottom before we can push back up, right? So that's going to be it on GJ. Let me go to the next one, gold. So on gold, also the market is bearish. So we had this range last week, which we broke out. We broke from this range. And now we have this bearish structure, higher lows and higher highs. Sorry, high highs. Lower lows and lower highs. Right. So now price is currently sitting at the support here. So let's not ignore the fact that price is currently sitting. Oh, sorry. Let me just do this and look to the left and see. Price is bearish, and now we currently sitting at these areas here. And then we currently sitting at these areas. So what I can expect is for price to come back, and then let's see how price is going to react here, and then I will look for sells to the downside. But then if I'm taking out, this is going to be the area where I'm going to be looking at for gold to come in and react before we can continue looking for sells, right? So for me, gold is bearish. That's what I'm looking for. Market open, if you are comfortable in taking this buy, you can, but then I'm only looking for sells this week on gold. until I get enough data to buy. So we already have a double bottom. So you can take this this buy around here, wait for market open and see where price will push, because might get a gap to the upside, or price might just push back down to this support and then continue dropping. We don't know, but just wait before the market open and see where the price is going, you know, because if we don't push to the upside, we can just continue dropping to around here, which is 1725. 1725. That's where we can also expect price to go to. So gold, we're looking for sales. So where am I going to look for sales? Price pushing back up here, and then I go down, or price breaking down here, coming back to retest, giving signs to go down, and then I sell to the next level, right? So these are going to be my two selling areas based on price breaking and coming back to retest. So that should be it on gold. That's what I'm looking for. And then let's go to the next one. Okay, so US30 it's also been bearish this week. It's been a bearish market. And then we have been sitting at this level for quite some time, you know. And then we have these areas here, and we recently broke. So for me, we're still bearish. We just expect price to come back, retest here, and then we push down. And then if price don't retest and then close up back in, what we can expect is for price to give us more signs that we are going to the upside, and then look for buys, and then we push back up, right? But then at the moment, while price is still showing us the signs that is bearish, what we can expect is for price to come back, retest, and then we sell the price. Let's see where we can target. I will say around here, 34,200. I can say 34,200. That's where we can expect price to push to, you know, this sell. If price doesn't break back in, we can expect price to push back, push to the downside to 4,200. So let's see how this week is going to be. So this is it from us. We just we're looking at GJ, gold, and US30. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and then turn the notification bell. Cheers. See you guys on the next one.